Hello there, my friends. Today I am sharing with you guys a Puerto Rican breakfast meal. This is a meal that brings me back to my childhood. Typically, traditionally, this is done with farina or cream of wheat. Unfortunately, since I have a wheat sensitivity, I am going to make this with cream of rice. This is actually something that I had this summer a lot when I went over to my dad's house. So I thought this would be the perfect breakfast meal to share with you guys. It's very simple to make. So let's get to it. For this, we are going to be needing some brown sugar. I'm using the cream of rice, but you can use the cream of wheat. We are going to be using some milk. I'm going to use about 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of the cream of rice, some vanilla extract, a little bit of ground cinnamon, and a dash of salt. Now let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing I'm gonna do is turn on my burner to a medium heat. And I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 cup of milk in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 tablespoons of my rice cereal. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar. You can make it less sweet or more sweet. It's really up to you. I'm going to say, let's do 2 tablespoons. I like mine to be nice and sweet. Different people like theirs a little bit different. If you want to do yours less, go ahead and do less. A little dab of the vanilla extract to give it that nice vanilla-y flavor. A little dash of the ground cinnamon. And then at the end you can always add more. And then finally a little pinch of salt. Just like with anything, I feel like salt gives it like a nice little flavor that is good. I'm going to go ahead and mix it around constantly. Eventually, this is going to start thickening up a little bit more. If you want to, at this point, you can give it like a little taste, see how you like it. Oh, that's gonna have the perfect flavor, guys. So good. And then once it makes it to like this bubbling point, I like to turn mine a little bit down to a medium low. And just mix it constantly until you get that desired thickness. After a few minutes, you're gonna see that it's going to start getting thicker, and that's what we want. Once yours makes it to a consistency that is nice and thick like this, is ready to serve. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. You see, this is perfect. And I would say this quantity is enough just for 1 serving. I'm going to be the only one eating this today. So this is perfect just for me. Now all I'm gonna do is add a little bit of cinnamon on the top. And now this is ready to be enjoyed. Now it's your turn to give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.